Hey, I'm going to show you how to add a Chrome extension called Read and Write for Google Chrome. Looking at the top, if you're in Google Chrome, here's the top of my Google page. I already have some extensions installed. So every time you or a child or a user are using Google Chrome, their extensions will pop up automatically at the top of the page here. So from this page, I'm going to go and do a search for the Google Chrome store. And I'm going to click on the first link that says Chrome Web Store. It will bring me to this page. In this page, there is a search bar at the top. If you type read and write, the second choice here that pops up is called Read and Write for Google Chrome. And on the right side, there will be a blue bar that says Add to Chrome. I'm going to click that. And it's going to ask me a prompt, and I'm going to say Add Extension. Okay, the extension has been added. So now every time I'm signed in to Google Chrome, there'll be this purple puzzle piece that says Read and Write for Google Chrome. That will be the extension. Now I've added it. I don't have to do anything with it again. Going into Google Drive, for example, if I pull up a Google slide that I might be working in, then I click on the extension. Okay, it'll prompt you when you first start using it. And then it'll say it wants to access your Google Drive, and that's okay. Allow. Then this piece will pop down the bottom. If I hit the arrow, a little bar will pop up, prompting. And if I click this button here, it'll start reading the slide to me.
Test slide. Can you edit?
Okay. That's one of the examples given for the read and write. There are many more features to read and write. Getting the extension is the first. Now I have many extensions up here. If this is more important to me and I want to move it, I can just pick it up and drag it down the bar and plop it where I would like it to be. So it's nice and close, and I have easier access to it after typing in web addresses. So read and write has many features to be able to use to help you reading what's on the slide, reading directions, whatever might be typed there. It also works for many websites. Thanks.